The coldest places on Earth are uninhabitable year-round, much like their hottest counterparts, even during the warmest seasons. Some are even inaccessible to tourists due to the lack of safety in indoor areas. Polar bears, seals, and penguins might be able to live fulfilling lives here, but humans can't withstand such freezing climates. Scientists and researchers invest millions in appropriate safety gear before venturing into the depths of the ice. While you might not be able to visit the coldest places on Earth yourself, you can admire them from afar and be stunned by the temperature records they have broken. Last on the list, you will find the coldest place ever recorded, with a record-breaking temperature in 2010 since its 720,000-year existence. Number 7. Klinck Research Station, Greenland. Greenland sees few tourists wandering its icy terrain. The country barely hits highs of 40 degrees Fahrenheit in summer, making it coat weather year-round. Tourists might wish to stay away from Greenland during the winter if freezing temperatures don't appeal to you. Most winters experience minus temperatures, making it quite uncomfortable to explore. When visiting Greenland, don't expect to be able to visit the Klinck Research Station, as it's strictly for research. But if you'd like to experience Greenland, visit during the summer and stay warm in the many specialty museums like the Nuuk Art Museum, or head to one of the world's largest national parks, the Northeast Greenland National Park. Number 6. Verkhoyansk, Russia. Verkhoyansk is a small and sparsely populated town in northern Russia. The town has less than 1,000 locals, who often refer to it as the Pole of Cold, as it's typical to have freezing temperatures year-round. In summer, expect temperatures of around 49 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, the winter climate can see temperatures of around minus 48.5 degrees Fahrenheit. It's livable but warmest in northern Russia in spring or summer. You wouldn't expect temperatures to hit as low as the record, minus 93.64 degrees Fahrenheit, anytime soon due to global warming. Verkhoyansk offers snowmobile safaris, dog sledding, and ice crossing on the Aldan River. Number 5. Denali, Alaska. Sometime between 1950 and 1969, the Denali Mountains in Alaska recorded temperatures of minus 100.84 degrees Fahrenheit. A small weather station located close to the summit picked up this record-breaking temperature in Alaska. While this isn't the coldest on Earth, it's the first on the list to exceed the minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit mark. The Denali Mountains are situated in the Denali National Park in Alaska. The mountain peak sits almost 20,000 feet above sea level and can be visited by those who love exploring the outdoors, especially those who dream about extreme hikes in Alaska. The best time to visit Denali National Park is during the summer for comfortable temperatures. Don't worry, you'll still see snow-covered mountains in Denali in the summer. Temperatures can rise to around 59 degrees Fahrenheit in summer, so your trip will be comfortable, especially during the day. Number 4. Dome Argus, Antarctic Plateau. The Dome Argus is recorded as the highest ice dome on the Antarctic Plateau and the coldest naturally occurring place on the planet. It's situated 750 miles inland and is said to be dangerously cold. The Antarctic isn't an easy tourist destination, so don't expect to take a vacation here if you desire icy temperatures. You can only visit with a tour guide or as a researcher. Researchers spend time at Dome Argus on the Antarctic Plateau to record temperatures, including the lowest ever, minus 116.5 degrees Fahrenheit in 2005. On average, in the summer, temperatures often hit 33 degrees Fahrenheit. In contrast, the winter sees averages of minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. Amundsen Scott South Pole Station, Antarctica. Amundsen Scott South Pole Station is 9,301 feet above sea level, making it extremely cold during the winter. The lowest recorded temperature at the Amundsen Scott South Pole Station was in the summer of 1982, when researchers witnessed a record low of minus 117.04 degrees Fahrenheit. The South Pole Station is used for biomedical work and neutrino research. The workers and residents at the Amundsen Scott South Pole Station only see sunrise and sunset once a year, so you can imagine how dull the lifestyle can get. However, they do get to witness beautiful, yet dark scenery and polar bear viewings from the windows. Number 2. Vostok Research Station, Antarctica. Strangely, the Vostok Research Station is one of the sunniest places on Earth. While it sees cold temperatures during the summer of around minus 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the sun shines proudly, unlike other areas of the vast Antarctic continent, which hardly see sunshine. The Vostok Research Station witnesses around 22 hours of sunlight most days in December. In contrast, when the polar night season kicks in, the temperatures will plummet with zero sunlight. The lowest recorded temperature at the Vostok Research Station, which examines the Earth's magnetosphere, was minus 128.96 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer of 1983. The area is incredibly cold and not accessible to visitors. Visitors can attend tours of Antarctica, but access to the Vostok Research Station is prohibited without a private expedition. Number 1. Dome Fuji, Antarctic. Dome Fuji is located in the Antarctic north of the Antarctica continent. It's the base for key research on the continent and often sees few scientists due to the fiercely cold temperatures. In August 2010, Dome Fuji's scientific thermometers recorded the lowest ever temperature on Earth at minus 135.76 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature was noted thanks to the Landsat 8 satellite, which directed itself toward the eastern part of the second highest summit's ice sheet. Now, Dome Fuji holds the world record. The highest temperatures in this part of the Antarctic hit minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's dangerously cold, researchers still manage to live and work here for a few weeks at a time. So, we have shared with you top 7 coldest places on Earth with the lowest temperatures ever recorded. Hope they will be useful to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.